Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here and you have not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So in today's video I'm just going to be doing a lot, so stay tuned till the end of the video. After making dinner, I was so cold, my feet were freezing, so I just had to warm up a little bit. So this is how my daughter's closet is looking. It's so disorganized, as you can see. So I'm planning to arrange it. Most of her clothes are outside drying, so once they are fully dried, I'll arrange them. And here I also want to put my daughter's clothes here, and those two drawers down there, so I'll have to remove everything. Yeah, so let's arrange this together with you guys.
Show me loving. I need your loving. 'Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need your loving. Me, myself, ain't enough. It's like being a dog to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. If you keep it beside along my heart. Of me now, the way I do. Are you dreaming of me now, the way I
So guys, I've finished with my daughter's clothes, and here is where I've arranged them, and I've put her jackets here, and some of her clothes that she goes out with are here. Then down here I've put all her blankets, and here her towels. Then here her hair accessories, like this band for the hair, yeah, all these gloves. Then here I've put all her socks, and these sweaters, she wears them in the house. And down here I've put all her, what do we call them, t-shirts. Yeah, these ones are the warm ones, are the long sleeved ones, these ones are the short sleeved, and here are the vest, and here are some pants. Yeah, then down here I've put all her trousers. These ones are the warm ones, this ones she can wear when it's sunny or she's in the house, and here are the shorts. Yeah, so that's how I've arranged each and every place. They're so neat. So I'm about to deal with all this mess, the duvets, the towels, the bed sheets. I'm just going to fold them and put them in this other side. So let's do that, guys.
I'm in the night. Let's spark a light and see where it leads. Just you and me, hiding behind the curtain. A world so uncertain. Come and see where this leads. The circus. The circus.
On this other side, this is how I've arranged them. Here are the curtains. Here are my pillow covers, which I'm planning to change the other ones actually, since they are dirty. So I'll do this in another video. Here are all my beddings, my bed sheets, my duvet cover, and here are all the towels. Then up here are the cover-ups, the Masai laces. Yeah, then here we have the jumpers, there we have the jackets. So we don't use these things a lot, that's why I've put the jackets behind there. So on this night I decided to make cookies, and all I'll be using is Blue Band and sugar, milk, and flour.
The circus.
On this day, I had a lot to do, so I took my daughter to the rooftop. We were with my hubby. We had taken her to ride her bike a little bit, and then we later went to the house, and I had a lot of cleaning to do in my bedrooms, especially the curtains. They were so dirty, and the windows. So stay tuned to watch as I clean them. And kindly, if you are liking my content so far, kindly remember to subscribe, like my videos, comment. Yeah, and I'll really appreciate you.
The circus. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.